Okay, so back to our pump now. Just ran this thing through the ultrasonic cleaner. Before I left, I pulled it out, dried everything off, and came out pretty nice. But some of these pieces don't come out perfect, so you got to help them out a little bit. So once you have all that stuff cleaned up, the next thing you need to address is the housing. Look at that housing. But anyway, so as we said before, where our pilot bushing is grooved down inside there, we need to clean. We need to replace that bushing. I got this bushing from FridayParts. I don't know if you've heard of that website or not. This is a very high quality, well-made bushing, and it is less than half the price of an actual standardized one from the fuel shop. And you can see here that these are different sizes. These are both out of DBG pumps, but one of them lays down and one of them stands up. There's a difference in the length of them, okay? But what I wanted to show you about this one from FridayParts, you can see that it's chamfered. And the reason why it's chamfered is because when those shaft seals go in there, you need some help to shrink them down to pop them into place. Now, if you compare those, that FridayParts one has a way nicer chamfer. So these FridayParts bushings are nice because they have a way deeper chamfer. I really like that. And just put a little bit of pressure on it. Don't start pressing it out yet. Just a touch of pressure. I've done this a few times and I kind of guess it. A MAP gas torch like this gives a lot of heat, so it doesn't take much. Press the old one out and the new one in. Just gotta keep an eye on it here. There we go, all cleaned up. See how nice that bushing fits in there? I like these ones, they're good bushings. Okay, time to get that pump body mounted up onto the vise. Like so, and I guess let's flip this around. Zip tie them onto here. That way the guys will see them and they'll know to put them on. That's it, we're done.